Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Art Indulgence. This is a new venture I have started along with my old channel. This will be known as the Travel Indulgence. This is my first traveling experience video, means the vlog I am making. This is about A380-800 aircraft of Emirates Airlines. This is me, Jyoti Garg, an aircraft maintenance engineer turned into an artist. This is my family, and you can see the A380 aircraft behind us. I have just put an arrow to show you the aircraft. We have boarded this aircraft on Dubai airport, and we are going to San Francisco, California in United States of America just for a vacation. Purpose of making this video is to show you the different seating arrangements or the different seating classes of this aircraft, like economy, business and first class. So let's start with a little description of this aircraft. As you know, it is a wide body aircraft, means it is a double decker aircraft, and it is a largest passenger airliner. It is one of the biggest aircraft, not one of the biggest, it is the biggest aircraft with a certified seating capacity of 853 passengers, of which 538 passengers on the main deck and 315 passengers on the upper deck. Now we are entering the aircraft. This is the economy class, which has a configure of 343, means 3 seats on both the sides and 4 seats in the middle row. You can see the air hostesses wearing hijab type caps, which is very soothing to see. It was all about the economy class. So let's move towards the business class. Business class and first class seats are upstairs. So let's go upstairs. You can see a finely curated reception over here with snacks and drinks to be served on a table. It's a very fine table, very beautiful table. Going to the main section of the business class compartment, it has configure of 1 to 1, means one each seats on both sides and 2 seats in the middle row. This is very much a spacious. Each seat is having a width of 48 inches, and you can see small compartments where you can keep your belongings, and having a side table with all the drinks and food to be served. You can see the food over here. It is very well served, very finely curated gourmet. For food, you have to make your choices beforehand, like you want Asian or veg, non-veg, whatever. If you are pure vegetarian, do order Hindu meal, because Asian and Hindu meals are different with eggs in it. The seats are so comfortable that it will pull out to become a bed, and you can comfortably sleep in it. You can see a completely stretched bed beside the food table. Each seats have its own set of entertainment systems with a variety of channels and drinks to be served. Food is served hot here, and along the food and drinks you will get a lot of item to keep you comfortable and entertained. Let's quickly sneak into the first class. As our seats in business class, I will give you a sneak peek of this class. You can see the luxury over here, the bed, the food, the table, everything is very wide seated and very much spacious. You can have a very good experience of fine dining here. You can see the signature dishes, and I will show you the bathroom now. It has a shower, and you can see the luxury of this bathroom. For usage, you will get very high branded toiletries like shampoos and lotions, whatever it will be. It was just a sneak peek. Next time, if I will travel first class, I will give you the complete description. Let's go back to our business class seats. That is also very much comfortable, and it's my suggestion that if you can afford, please take business class seats in long distance flight, as this flight is of 15 hours, and I am having a baby with me, so it is very comfortable to go in business class rather to go in economy class. So if you can afford, please take business class. And this is my son trying to open his cartoon channels. This is night mode in the aircraft. You can see the people coming around from a transit station. There are menu cards. You will be given different menu cards for different meals and different drinks. Enjoy. You can see the mountains covered with the snow, and this is the North Pole. Can't believe that we are flying over the North Pole. You can see the tiredness in our eyes, my son, my husband. We are just enjoying. This is only for pose. I don't drink. This aircraft is equipped with different cameras to give you outside view of the sky of the land. You can see the distance over here. It is of 15 hours. And finally, we have landed in the United States. Hope you have liked the video. Please do subscribe, share, and comment.